At Intel Swift, connecting your AI agent to your communication channel has never been easier. No more complex setups and endless integrations. When creating your channel, all you need to do is specify which AI agent should be connected to what channel. And that's it. Once your channel is created, we provide multiple options for you to match the look and feel of your brand, from colors to logo and chat interface. Everything aligns with your website design. The most important part, consistency. Whether your customers are reaching out via web chat, messenger, or any other channel, your AI agent will deliver a consistent experience everywhere. So no matter where they reach out from, they will get the same high quality support. With Intel Swift Omnichannel, all your customer communication is centralized in one window, so no need for your support team to juggle between different tools. Everything they need is in a single, unified interface. Ready to scale your support and ensure a seamless experience across all channels? With Intel Swift, it's just a few clicks away.